How to Live Abroad for 6 Months in Retirement, a guide to your next adventure. Retirement is more than the end of a career. It's the start of a brand new chapter, one brimming with possibility. And if you've ever dreamed of trading your routine for cobblestone streets, palm trees, or exotic markets, this is the time. Living abroad for 6 months during retirement is an exciting way to not only see the world, but to immerse yourself fully in its richness and wonder. This guide is for retirees who are ready to transform their golden years into a golden adventure. Today, we'll walk through how you can live abroad for 6 months, covering key steps from choosing the right destination to planning your budget, managing the logistics, and truly embracing a new culture. By the end, you'll feel both inspired and fully equipped to write this thrilling new chapter of your life. What could be more exciting than stepping into a whole new world? Living abroad for an extended period isn't just about sightseeing, it's about transformation. Imagine waking up not just visiting a quaint Italian village or a beach in Thailand, but actually living there, strolling to the local market, greeting neighbors, or sipping coffee as life unfolds around you. One of the greatest gifts of retirement is time. Time to explore and discover who you are outside of work and obligations. Living abroad offers a profound reset, opening doors to personal growth, cultural appreciation, and memories to treasure forever. Let's not forget the health benefits too. Studies show that staying active, socially engaged, and mentally stimulated leads to a happier, healthier retirement. Traveling and living abroad accomplish all of this as you learn new customs, meet incredible people, and adapt to fresh environments. Finally, this journey will help you break free from the mundane. Retirement is not the end of the road. It's the opportunity to wander down new ones. Embrace the unexpected, take the leap, and rediscover the magic of life through this adventure. Choosing where to live abroad is one of the most exciting parts of the process. The key is to find a destination that resonates with your personality, interests, and lifestyle. Ask yourself, what kind of environment excites you? Do you enjoy the serenity of mountains, the vibrancy of busy city streets, or a laid-back tropical vibe? Climate, culture, and your vision for your experience play a big role here. If affordability is a concern, destinations like Portugal, Mexico, Thailand, and Malta are known for their lower cost of living yet high quality of life. If you're drawn to history and tradition, perhaps Italy or Japan will capture your heart. Or for natural beauty, consider the rolling hills of New Zealand or the jungles of Costa Rica. Look into factors such as the ease of getting around, language barriers, healthcare quality, and the overall lifestyle of residents and expats there. Travel blogs, forums, and expat communities can provide invaluable insight into life in your chosen destination. And remember, flexibility is your superpower. Most places welcome retirees with open arms and offer the opportunity to enjoy not just a visit, but a genuine connection to their culture and people. One of the top concerns for retirees planning a 6-month stay abroad is finances. But rest assured, living abroad doesn't have to break the bank. In fact, many destinations are surprisingly affordable, and careful planning ensures you'll stay within your means. The first step is to set up a realistic budget. Consider major expenses like housing, food, transportation, and healthcare. Don't forget smaller costs like leisure activities, local tours, and even gifts for family members back home. For accommodations, renting is often more affordable and practical than hotels for long-term stays. Explore options such as short-term apartment rentals through platforms like Airbnb or connecting with expat groups for affordable housing leads. Living in expat-friendly neighborhoods also offers a strong sense of community. Food and groceries are another area where you can save significantly by shopping local. Farmers markets and small bakeries can lead to both affordable and delicious meals while connecting you to local culture. Managing finances abroad is also crucial. Notify your bank about your travels, set up international-friendly credit cards, and be mindful of exchange rates and hidden fees. Being financially prepared allows you to focus on the experience without worry. Preparation is the foundation of an enjoyable 6 months abroad. This part might feel daunting at first, but breaking it down into manageable steps makes it far less overwhelming. Start by reviewing the visa requirements for your chosen destination. Many countries offer special visas for retirees, making long-term stays easier. Research the application process and timelines to ensure everything is ready well in advance. Healthcare is another top priority. Invest in travel insurance that covers both routine care and emergencies. Inquire about local healthcare facilities and whether your insurance will be accepted abroad. For any health concerns, make arrangements with your doctor before leaving. Next, handle your logistical setup. Ensure your phone will work internationally by setting up local SIM cards or upgrading to an international roaming plan. Maintain regular contact with loved ones through video calls, emails, or social platforms. It's also essential to prepare for unexpected situations. Keep digital and printed copies of important documents like your passport, visas, and insurance information. Plan an emergency fund for peace of mind. Finally, consider what you'll do with your home while you're away. Renting it out, having someone house sit, or setting up monitoring services can ensure your property is well cared for. Once you've made it to your destination, the real joy begins, diving into a rich, unfamiliar culture. Remember, this isn't just a long vacation, it's an opportunity to truly live like a local. Start by learning some basic phrases in the local language. A smile and a simple greeting can go a long way in breaking the ice with locals. If you enjoy structure, consider taking language classes or using apps like Duolingo to build on your vocabulary. Explore the local cuisine. Food is a window into culture, and trying traditional dishes is one of the simplest yet most rewarding ways to immerse yourself. Don't be afraid to go off the beaten path and discover hidden gems at roadside cafes or bustling markets. Meeting people is another key to creating a fulfilling life abroad. Tap into expat communities for support and advice, but also seek connections with locals. Volunteer, join community events, or simply chat with your neighbors. These relationships will form the heart of your experience. Lastly, allow yourself to adapt to the rhythm of your new home. Resist the urge to cram your days full of activities and instead enjoy the slower pace of daily life in your surroundings. This balance allows you to truly savor the experience. Living abroad for 6 months presents unique challenges, but with foresight and planning, they're easily manageable. First, pack smartly. Focus on essentials, comfortable clothing for the climate, and a few personal touches to make your temporary home feel cozy. Stay active and healthy by walking, exploring, or joining local fitness classes. It's a simple way to stay fit and meet like-minded people in your community. Having travel insurance is essential for peace of mind. Choose a plan that covers the duration of your stay and understands the medical and travel needs of retirees. Keep an eye on your home back in your native country. Whether you leave it in someone's care or choose to rent it out, having a system in place ensures you won't worry from afar. Lastly, record your adventure through photos, journaling, or even starting a blog. Sharing your experience with others can inspire friends, family, and fellow retirees to discover the benefits of this exciting lifestyle. Living abroad for 6 months in retirement is more than a dream. It's an incredible, achievable goal. By now, you've seen how possible it is with the right planning and attitude. Retirement is not the winding down of a life well lived. It is the setting off of a new journey entirely. Whether you're drawn to the vibrant streets of a new city or the peaceful retreat of a quiet village, this adventure promises to unlock joy, growth, and unforgettable experiences. You've worked hard to get here, and the next chapter is yours to write. Why not write it with sunsets in Italy, golden beaches in Bali, or the lush landscapes of Costa Rica as your backdrop? The adventure of a lifetime is waiting for you, and all it takes is the courage to take the first step. So pack your bags, open your mind, and embrace the world with open arms. Wherever you go, your best days are ahead of you. Dive into this opportunity and show yourself that retirement truly is the time to live boldly and fully. It's your time now. Make it an adventure worth remembering.